In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule automatic backups on Hostinger. Okay, so what you're going to have to do here is just to click on Manage. So let's click on Manage. And now what we're going to have to do is just to click on Admin. All right, very simple. So click on Admin panel. And then from here, we just going to have to click on Plugins. So we're going to have to install a plugin. So let's click on Add plugin, add a new plugin, and then here just write updraft, and this is the first step, updraft plus WordPress backup migration plugin. You can backup, restore, or migrate your WordPress website to another host or domain. So let's click on install, and now it's installed. So we're gonna have to activate it. Select activate it. So if you can also activate it from here. And now let's click on the app here. Let's click on the app, and then here we can back up, right? So we can click on here to back up, and we can click on here back up now. And how do we actually automate or schedule automatic backups, right? So we're gonna have to go here to settings. Let's go to settings, and then from here we have file backup schedule. Manual, we want every day. Okay, and retain this many scheduled backups. You can say 2, 3, it's really up to you. Now, of course, this is great. We have also this option, retain many scheduled backups, because we have selected here 3. So retain, like 3 means that the system will keep the last 3 backups. So if you have like a backup from today, yesterday, and the day before, those 3 will be saved. Now you can increase this, it's really up to you, as I said before. So yeah, thanks for watching. You have here more settings. Also, you can add a database backup schedule again, and choose your remote storage, connect to Dropbox, let's say, I don't know, up to you, Google Drive. You also have here, can check your database that your update that you know, this one, and we can download to our computer, delete from our web server. So it's pretty cool. Delete also updates, check everything, and we can delete if we want. Delete. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and take care.